Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm DJ, and in this video we're going to be taking our Crocs from zero to hero. We're gonna make them really cute, really glammed up. There's paint, little bits of paint splattered on it from a home improvement project we did last summer, but I don't care. I got this at Michael's and I used 2 on each thing. And then I'm gonna have to take off one. And different sizes, variety. It all came in the pack together. E6000 glue. This is specifically for jewelry and beads, so it's like perfect for these. For my winter ones, I was really like, I used Gorilla Glue on some. It didn't stick. You know how that woman's hair was like froze to her head from the Gorilla Glue? The Gorilla Glue I used on these, I couldn't even keep the rhinestones on. I actually used like nail glue. I mean, some's still on there, but some's not. But a little more professional this second time around. And I got a hot glue gun. And I got this. This is a file. Sandpaper will probably be better. I've seen that in other people's videos. I don't have sandpaper though, so being resourceful, this is what I've got. As instructed by the E6000, you want to kind of roughen up the surface a little bit. If you have colored Crocs, it's easier to see where the color's fading. This white isn't as easy, but I'm able to tell because these are actually holographic, like they have that glittery, shimmery, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm seeing where that's fading. That's kind of how I'm knowing that I'm getting the job done. Okay, I feel good about that. Taking my hot glue gun, and I'm going to kind of trace a circle around here, because that's about as big as the flower is. You see I'm gluing this down. This down. So now I'm going to again trace where this next one is going to lay down with the hot glue gun. Okay, can you see? Then I'm pressing down for like 5-10 seconds. As you can see, we have room for like one more. I got this pack. Literally just taking that, twisting it. Look. For the one time, just gonna go around this circle. See the circles on here were even that holographic look. Okay, so I'm taking my rhinestones. This part is really easy. You're literally just going to dab a glue. What? And this glue stinks. Oh my gosh, this is possible cancer agent. Let's hurry up. Dab, dab. I'm just dabbing wherever I want. And you're just gonna bling up the whole thing. Keep going, keep going. And that's how you're gonna get your blinged out crocodiles. Super cute. it stinks. The glue stinks. At this point, you're done with your arts and crafts. But don't wear these for like at least a day because you need the glue to do what it does, and it takes really like a solid 24 hours to lock in. So that's that. I'm gonna add some gibbets to these. I'm gonna transfer. I just dropped it, but nothing fell off. That's a good sign. I'm gonna transfer some of my gibbets from my winter ones. Here's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments. There it is. And then sport mode, killing it.